You may have seen this feed or content that purports to say the upcoming referendum is unconstitutional and that the High Court has ruled that's the case. This is categorically false. Let's break down why it's false. Let's break down why what is being said is incorrect. Let's begin with what the High Court is. The High Court in Australia is the highest court in the land. It determines matters as a court of final appeal, and it gets the final say on matters of constitutional importance. There is a process by which the High Court decides things, and the first is to file something called a special leave application. The High Court's a busy place, and it doesn't necessarily have time to deal with everything. And so you have to at least fill out the form correctly that says, hey, we believe there's a case here. To the credit of this man, he has filed that form. The court has accepted that form subject to a specific rule. That rule is that when I look at this document, it's pretty iffy, and I don't think we'll ever actually take action on it, but we will accept it because at the very least, it's filled out correctly. Because ultimately the court determines the order in which things are done and are not done. And that's it. There has not been a determination that it was successful. There has not been a determination it will even be heard. All we know at the moment is the High Court has accepted a form someone has sent in. Do you know when you send an email to someone and you get an order reply that basically says, hi, we've received your email? Think of the High Court equivalent of that. And the only analogy I can think of is, imagine that I write to a scientific paper saying, I've cured a disease, and I send them a picture of like a cell and the word cure in it, and they reply to me saying, we've received your email. I go on social media and tell the world, I've cured the disease. Every scientific publication in the world knows I've cured the disease. I've done it. I've cured it. Yay. When all they've done is reply politely back to my correspondence. It may even get a hearing for special leave. I don't think it will, but it might. But to say that it is victorious, to say the referendum has been ruled unconstitutional, and to say anything of the sort is disingenuous at best and completely misconceived. And if these are the people you're going to for your understanding of the politics and understanding of the legal system, you desperately need to follow me for more legal TikTok, because the people you're following are